Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. I was gonna try to fix this up and sell it for $4,000 to $6,000, but we are letting it go for $2,000 because I don't have the time, money, and energy to work on the Kei truck. And I think it's reasonable because previous videos, I could at least get it to start, but now when I put the key in, it does nothing. So I think $2,000 is reasonable. And with the divorce, the mortgage I am paying by myself, so a little extra cash is really nice. And I'm also planning on selling the house in the next year or two. So trying to get rid of stuff. I am in super minimalism mode. Let's go set up the paperwork. Okay, here's everything I have. The original envelope from Japan, some insurance information, bill of lading, cannot read that, but I think that is the export certificate, original invoice, temporary registration, had to make an appointment with these guys, arrival notice, pickup, CBP Customs and Borders, EPA, DOT, finally getting vehicle registration, going over to Montana, power of attorney, bill of sales, certificate of title in Montana. Let's do some research on how to sell it. Since I'm a Montana LLC, I need to get my articles of organization, sign the title in front of a notary, complete this bill of sale that I will print out. I don't think there's any liens because the Kei truck is paid in full. It's a little late right now, so I think all the notary is closed, but we will visit one tomorrow. That was pretty easy. Notary did not have a problem signing it for me. I did print out an articles of organization when I started this LLC back in 2023, proving that I am the manager member. I forgot to print a bill of sales, so we're gonna go back to work right now, print that out, start filling it out, and we'll see you guys later. Just got home, showered, cooking dinner right now, waiting for the buyer to get here. I think he's bringing a trailer, so I might have to help him load a little bit. Gonna show him all the paperwork I have. Told him if he has any problems in the future, I'm more than happy to meet up again, do the notary again if needed. A little sad to see it let it go, but very excited to downgrade, simplify things a little bit, save money, and see where the future goes. Let's wait. Good morning. Everything went well last night. He was so excited to take it home, and that makes me less sad and actually pretty happy because he understood all the risks. I was like, hey, here's the walkthrough video. You see all this rust underneath. Hey, here's my latest video, barely even starts and doesn't even start now. So all of that put together makes me sleep pretty peacefully at night. I am very excited to have all this space again. We're still really far away from selling the house, but can't wait to see where all this goes. Video 355 done.